Happy Diwali! Welcome to our new video, Diwali 2020. If you haven't checked out our Halloween video, here's a link in the card above or the description below.
So we began our Diwali celebration by me making a Rangoli. Every year I make a Rangoli. If you want to check out my previous year's Rangoli, then it's linked in the description below. However, this year I did not have Rangoli colors. We just moved to Canada and we haven't gotten a chance to visit an Indian store right now. So we couldn't go and buy Rangoli colors. I came up with an idea. From Walmart, I brought some rice as well as food coloring. What I did was I mixed the rice with food color and blended it in a mixer, and boom, I had Rangoli colors. I created a rough sketch of the Rangoli that I wanted to make, and then I sketched an outline on the floor. So that's how I made the Rangoli.
Now enjoy this amazing time lapse of Nikita's Rangoli creation. We had an entire evening planned out for Diwali. So the first thing we did was act on the invitation of our friends to visit their home and have a Diwali puja.
After Diwali puja, we invited all our friends to our house for a quick Diwali get-together. We ordered some food, had amazing time, played a lot of games like Uno, Pictionary, card games, and we also had one special guest, a big ball of fur.
Hope you all enjoyed our Diwali celebration. If you liked it, consider hitting the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and of course hit the bell icon so you get notified of our upcoming videos.
And if you haven't already checked out our Halloween celebration, then click on the card here to visit our Halloween celebration.
Hope you guys have a nice and happy and safe Diwali, and see you guys again next time.
Bye.